Did you know Google Gemini stores your uploaded images? Most people don't know this, but your AI uploads are stored unless you delete them. Let me show you how to delete them permanently in just a few steps. Okay, so first thing is to go to your Google Gemini and log into your account using the same email you used to upload your photos. Next, you click on Settings and Help in the menu. Look at the top left corner of Google Gemini. We see these three lines. We click on it. Next thing is to click on Settings and Help in the menu. Then go to Activity. This is where Gemini stores your prompts, uploads, and your interactions. You can see here that the activity is turned on. Now turn off the activity so Gemini stops saving your future data. You can see here that it gave us the first option as to turn off just the activity or turn off and delete activity. You can do you can do you can do the turn off and delete activity, or you decide to turn off. But if you want to delete your previous images or uploads on Gemini, option 2 is preferable. So you click on your preference and you click next to continue the process. This is Gemini asking you if you want to delete your stored activity and uploaded files. Go ahead and confirm. So you can see confirm you would like to delete the following activity. All of your selected activity will be permanently deleted. So just go ahead and click on delete. You'll be prompted again to confirm. Once you approve, your uploaded photos will be permanently deleted. And just like that, all your uploaded images and activities have been removed. To confirm, you can come back here to the three lines on the top left corner. You click on it, you go to my stuff. You can see that there's nothing there anymore in my stuff, of which at the start of this video there were images uploaded before and what has been generated using the account as well. And just like that, all your uploaded images and activities have been removed. Keep in mind, this action cannot be undone. Once deleted, your files cannot be recovered. This is a quick way to protect your privacy and keep your data secure when using AI tools. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more AI tips like this. Thank you. Bye.